Hey guys, Rick with Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video we're gonna continue with the start of finish series. In the previous part we made a breakdown, we made the start of the drop. So in this part we're gonna work on the second part of the drop, the lead sounds, mix it some more, and besides that we got a few comments about the timing on the vocal, like these. So in this episode we're gonna fix that. So let's straight dive into the project. So first we're gonna start off with removing the other boy because there were a lot of comments about the timing, so yeah, we need to fix it. So instead of auto boy, we're gonna use another Foreman Shift plugin, the manipulator. It's minus 3.6 Foreman, so instead we're just gonna use this one. We're just kind of giving the same effect, so just to be sure, there were other comments about putting it right after the kickstart, so just to be sure, we're gonna put the manipulator after the kickstart. So then besides that we have this little part in the build up with the other boy. So I think we're gonna render it out and put it in the right spot, so then we still have that same looping effect. So we're just gonna use Edison for that on the master. Hit the recording button. Drag it in. And place it right on time. Just like this. So then we can just mute this part. And remove the auto body. So then the vocal is just right on time. So that's fixed then. So now we're gonna dive into the lead sound on the second part of the drop. So now let's dive into the lead sounds of the drop. So we're gonna add a new Serum to it. It's like a preset from the lead sounds pack. I'm gonna use the party sounds. I really like that lead sound to use in the drop, sounding like this. So now we're gonna write a melody on top of the bass sounds. We're working in A minor, so I think we're gonna use this as I think we're gonna use this melody riff as foundation of the sound. I really like how it sounds, so I think it works really well on top of the bass sounds. So now we need to make variation to the second part of the lead melody. So we're gonna go up to an A, I think here, just to give a different vibe. Yeah, that's dope, so copy it over. Maybe we're gonna play with the octaves. So first part's up an octave. Second part an octave down. Yeah, that's dope. I really like that technique to make your melodies more interesting. It's quite common in urban music, so let's do it in house music as well. So then we're gonna mix the lead sounds. So route it to a new mixer channel. Of course the sidechain. Some EQ in. Cut out the lows. Dip the mid lows a little bit as well. I'm gonna solo it. Shape the stereo image. Just open it up a little bit. Some OTT, I think. Let's see how it sounds. Add up. Little bit of compression. Nothing too complicated. Just to control the levels a little bit more. There's already quite a fair amount of reverb and delay in the lead sound, so we're not gonna add that to it. Just keep it simple, just like this. So then we're gonna mix it in and see how it sounds. Yeah, we like the switch for the octave, so yeah, that's dope. Besides that, I think it's dope to have some white noise playing. So I found this white noise sample recently, which I really like, in the Noise Hoop pack. Some splice as well, but I got a whole pack, so let's search for it right over here. Fit it to the tempo. We're gonna switch it up, so just like this. Then we're gonna do the same with the next part. And mix it in, so just bring with the volume and mix it on a mixer channel. Yeah, just forget EQ it. Yeah, that's all for the lead sound. Maybe we can bring back in this Photoshop as well. Yeah, that really fills it up a little bit more, so I think that's dope. We're gonna add a riser to the last bars of the drop. Just like this. Besides that, in the lid sound spec there's another FX sound which I want to use. It's the end of the drop FX. So fit it to the tempo. Sounding like this, which you can use at the end of the drop. To make the transition just a little bit smoother. So I think that's dope for the lead sound right now, so let's keep it like this. So the only thing right now we need to do is Makes the drums a little bit more. I think the drum loop could be a little bit louder, so give it a few dBs. Besides that, we're gonna shape the transient a little bit. Only the high end of the drum loop. Besides that, we're gonna distort it a little bit. So we're gonna use the Serum for that. We're gonna use the warm tube. Boost the treble and mids a little bit. Remove the solo of the neutron. So goes from this to this. Just a little bit thicker, so yeah, those small things will make a difference in the end result. And I think that's it for the episode. So in the next part, we're gonna do final mastering, mixing, that kind of stuff. So if you got any feedback on the track, make sure to drop it below. If you like the video, please leave a like. Want to see more, and the subscribe button. And the final result will sound like this.